Hello Lord of the Rings and Hobbit fans, welcome back to another video. I am so excited about this video today. I am doing an unboxing and review of the classic series of the Bilbo Baggins at Desk. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I am so excited about this one, guys. It is so awesome. I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get this unboxed for you guys, and then I'll show you some close-ups a little bit later. So here's the art box. Ooh, I really like this box, guys. This is so nice, so beautiful. So here's my picture here on this one side. There. 3. And 4. So, yeah, let's get this unboxed. I gotta stand up for this part here, so. So excited for this, guys. This is such a nice and beautiful piece. Okay, and I think just the top end, which is the bottom. Oh, so right there, that's the bottom. This is the top. Perfect. Oh, this is so nice, guys. So nice. Just a beautiful piece, you guys. Like, wow. The likeness of Ian Holm playing Bilbo is so on point. And just him as a sculpt, like, I'm blown out of my mind with this piece. Like, this is way too cool, you guys. The flowers. All the pictures, all the books, his pen. Here, let's trim this. His extra feather pens, his books here, his different inks, or books. And that's the picture that he has when the beginning of the movie. And that's the book where he writes in of the beginning, where he writes of the Hobbit. Even if that. This is unbelievable, guys. I am so happy with this one. Look at his Bilbo's face. So much detail in this one. Oh, I'm flabbergasted with this. Weta. My hat's off to you guys. Like, wow. This is unbelievable. Awesome. And his feet. Even the desk. This is such an unbelievable piece. I cannot say wow enough on this, guys. The back side of the desk. Jeez. Up close here. Just unreal. Yeah, I've got to say this is what is best piece like in the 1/6 scale classic series. And this is the classic series, guys. Oh, I am so happy I bought this piece. Here we go. Bilbo. Even the detail on his jacket that he's wearing. Like, look at this. All that in his hair. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Get some more close-ups here for you guys here. Wow. Even his feet are undetailed. Holy, this is awesome. Such a, oh. And there's jars. Very, very cool and very beautiful, intricate piece. Wow. Yep. Definitely my best piece in this collection now. I can't stop going back. This is just a beautiful piece. I can't, this is just unreal. Every time I go back, there's something more. Even the drawers, like, and that's his chair that he's sitting on. And I think that is a scarf, I believe. So cool. So beautiful. And just awesome. Wow. Awesome piece, Weta. I can't say awesome enough on this piece. Wow. Okay. And that's the pen he's holding here that I put in his hand. Very nice, guys. My best piece. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below what you guys thought of this Bilbo Baggins at desk, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.